안녕하세요, students.
안녕하세요.
Okay, sit down. Okay, for this morning, I will have a short story for you about lesson of time. When a bird is alive, it eats ants. So, kung buhi pa ang langgam, iyang kaunon ang amigas. When the bird is dead, ants eat the bird. So, nabali na kung mamatay na po ang langgam, ang amigas na po'y mukaon. Time and circumstances can change at any time. So, kung ang oras kuno o mga pagsulay, mausab siya anytime. Don't devalue, hurt anyone in life. So, ayaw kuno i-devalue ang pagpasakit sa kinabuhi sa lain nga tao. You may be powerful today, but remember, time is more powerful than you. So, unsa may pasabot ani? So, sa pagkakaroon, basin ikaw ang gamhanan, but ang panahon, ang oras, maoy pinaka-powerful natong tanan. Nakuha?
Yes.
So, ang moral lesson ani is first, value every moment. So, atong i-value kuno ang kada moment. Time waits for no one. Wasting time, wasting life itself. So, ang oras dili gyud nato usik-usikan. So, mao ni ginaingon, time is gold. Next, act while you can. So, ang ipasabot ani, opportunities often come with time. If delayed too long, you be missed forever. So, if malate gani ka, wala day ka kabaw nga dako gay detong mamiss sa imong kinabuhi, na dili na to siya mabalik. So, act as you can. So, samtang kaya pa buhaton jud kay dili na nato ma-rewind ang oras. Be responsible with time. How you can use the time shape of your future, success and failure. Okay, students, for this morning, we are going to have your moral lesson or reflection about our story for this week, which is never lie. So we start with Merikit.
Reflection. As a reflection for the story entitled Never Lie, I would say that yes, we can't live without a lie. We can't live a life without lying, because that's how life was on. But on the other hand, lying could destroy, harm, and put someone's relationship in danger. Lying is like a broken glass that if you want to try, that if you try to use it with your arms, it scratches. But if you try to stay away from it, nothing will happen. That's the same way with handling your mistakes and sins. Telling the truth about something could not harm you, but lying could kill your conscience. As I reflect this story throughout my life, I would say lying is not a perfect tool. Remember, lying is dangerous. Honesty is the best policy.
Okay, next, Angeline.
I learned that lying can harm people's feelings, and I don't want to hurt myself. And stating know if you're lying or telling the truth. So never lie. And lying is a bad because it can hurt harm, and it's a bad habit because it can hurt people who's trusting your word or every word you said. It's really bad because when you're telling the truth, they'll never trust you again, or worse, they'll never talk to you again because they are afraid that you will lie to them again. So don't lie because it's a bad, and lying is very bad. You'll have sin and God won't be happy because living life is not about lying. It's about living a good life and doing great things in life.
Okay. In my own opinion, the moral lesson that I learned from this story, first is trust is hard to build and easy to break. So, ang pagsalig ko no, lisod siya i-build, but dali siya i-break. So, when you lie to people, lose trust. So, kung mamaka ka sa usa ka tawo, malos ang imong trust niya. Once broken, trust is difficult to regain. Second, lies lead to more lies. So, once mamakakagkausa, again, ganahan na ka, masigi na nimo, mahabit na nimo sigig pamakak. So, one lie often leads to another lie to cover another lie na pod. Then third, the truth brings peace of mind. So kung naay kanang tinuod, so nakay peace of mind. So kung namaka ka, dili ka concentrate kanang mura kag mabother, wala kay peace of mind. Okay, Aliyah, for this evening, I want you to read your reflection or the moral lesson that you've learned for our story for this week. The title is Never Lie.
안녕하세요. So today, I am going to state the reflection that I wrote about the story Never Lie. Honesty is the best policy, for a single lie can lead to a huge trouble. The story teaches us that lying might seem easy, but it can lead to serious consequences. Being truthful is always the best choice. Based on the story, I reflected to myself that lying is not the very best choice to get out of situations. It might seem very easy, and many people didn't expect that it could hurt anybody, just like the boy in the story. Instead, even the smallest lie is very dangerous and is capable of hurting a person. Therefore, I conclude that every lie is a huge cost, and we should never normalize lying, for a single lie can shatter millions of pieces. That's all.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Aliyah.
Good evening, class.
Good evening, Teacher Nisan.
So today is your memorization day. Go ahead and start.
The best bee. Long time ago, there was a name Billy. Billy was a cute little bee, but he was brave and wise. He enjoyed playing in the garden. One sunny day, he saw a bee set her on fire. He brave enough to help other bees out.
Very good. Yes, Lina.
The best bee. Long time ago, there was a bee named Billy. Billy was a cute little bee, but he was brave. He was wise. He enjoyed playing in the garden. One sunny day, he saw a bee heat on fire. He was brave enough to help other bees out.
Very good. Sansan.
The business. Long time ago, there was a bee named Billy. Billy was a cute little bee, but he was very wise. He joined playing in the garden. One sunny day, he saw a bee set her on fire. He was brave and not to help other bees out.
Very good. Ming.
Obviously, long time ago, there was a bee named Billy. Billy was a cute little bee, but he was brave and wise. He enjoyed playing in the garden. One sunny day, he saw a bee set her on fire. He was brave enough to help other bees out.
Very good. Simon.
This bee. Long time ago, there was a named Billy. Billy was a cute little bee, but he was brave and wise. He enjoyed playing in the garden. One sunny day, he saw a bee hair set on fire. He was brave enough to help other bees out.
Nigel.
The bees. Long time ago, there was a bee named Billy. Billy was a cute little bee, but he was brave and wise. He enjoyed playing in the garden. One sunny day, he saw a bee hair set on fire. He so brave enough to help others bees out.
Very good.